Hello, my name is Mary-Christine Nolan and I'm Senior Vice President of Professional Services at nShift. I'm here today with some of my leaders doing some planning for 2026 and reflecting on what we've learned from 2025. It's only when you work for a company like nShift that you really understand the true complexity behind the convenience of online shopping. And many of the carriers that we work with have various stages of maturity in their own technology stack. Now, some of those carriers are still working with EDI files, and some have already made the transition to API connections, which presents greater uniformity of their data and greater flexibility and scalability. Now, my prediction for 2026 is that many of those carriers who have already adapted to API connections will be able to more easily take advantage of the cost savings and operational improvements of AI. If a carrier has not yet thought about moving to API or does not have that in their roadmap, my prediction is that they will feel even greater pressure to move or get left behind. Now, the reason for that is since COVID, there is increasing pressure on the consumer's experience. It's not just about being able to place an online order and have that delivery arrived at your door. The expectation has changed. We now expect as consumers to be able to see every detail of that order from the moment you check out through the delivery network, predictable steps along the way telling you exactly when it is going to arrive at your door, and some being so good that they can predict within a window of 1 hour. Now, when those carriers can use AI, they can improve their own cost efficiency, and that can be passed on to their customers. If a carrier is in that position, they are certainly going to be in a much more competitive advantage than those carriers who are still using legacy connections and by extension, their customers.